Today we are having a delicious meal for dinner. Our ingredients are eggplant, almond flour, cucumber, sardine, avocado, Maggi or salt to taste, eggs, olive oil, and water. So I put 2 tablespoons full of almond flour in a bowl, 1 egg, and mix it together with Maggi or salt to taste. And if you believe the mixture is a bit too thick, you can add a little water and mix it up until it is smooth. Cut the eggplant into 2. For this meal, I am using half of the eggplant because it's a big one. So cut the half into small pieces and keep the other half. Put the olive oil in the frying pan, then dip the eggplant into the almond and egg mixture and fry until it is brown and soft. The cucumber and the avocado are already prepared for the meal. And for this meal, I'm using half of the avocado and also half of the cucumber. Then I made a yolk fry of the second egg. And so I put everything in the plate and top it with sardine, and our dinner is ready. I can't wait to eat this dinner. I'm already feeling so hungry. So join me and let us eat together. This is a very delicious meal for anyone with diabetics. So enjoy. If only you can change your lifestyle, it is very easy to reverse diabetics. So eat better food, change your lifestyle, and enjoy life. Look out for more in my upcoming videos. God bless you.